minute. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. So let's discuss chapter 11 once again. That is fabric around us. Right? This is chapter 11, fabric around us. So first concept, that is design. What is the meaning of design? Okay. We have web designing, poster designing, textile designing, fabric designing, different kind of designing, right? So people have different understanding about each, or people have different understanding about this term, design. Okay, so simply the design means it is a human power to plan and realize a product for this human beings for a purpose. That is the meaning of design. Simply means we use our ability or our ideas and we use these ideas into an action. We put this idea into an action, the implementation, right? We are implementing our idea into an action for the purpose, for a human purpose, design. That is the meaning of design. Then we discussed about certain functions or the qualities of a good design. So good design must be pleasing. It should be soothing for our eyes and it should be functional. Not only this beautification purpose, other than this, it should satisfy certain functions, functional properties. Okay. Then we have expectations. We all have certain expectations, right? We all have certain expectations regarding the price, regarding the color, regarding the texture and all. So it should satisfy the expectations of consumers. Clear? Rena, this is for you, okay? Then we have two types of design. One is structural design, another one is applied design. Structural design, that simply means the first stage of fabric production, the dyeing, weaving, the weaving, knitting, felting, all these are the first steps, right? That is the structural design. Then we have applied design. This applied design means we are applying something or extra fittings to that fabric. Dyeing, applying color. We can use the tie and dye methods or batik printings, and then we have printings and all. That comes under the applied design. Okay. Then now we are going to discuss about the elements and principles of design. The first element of design, that is color. Okay. First element, this is your assignment, right? So first element, that is color. We have two type of color. One is with short wavelength. There are certain colors with short wavelength and there are certain colors with long wavelength. So this blue, purple and all and green, that comes under. These are the colors with short wavelength, and red, orange and yellow, they have the long wavelength property. Okay. Then the three common properties of every color, that is hue, value and intensity. Hue, value and intensity are the three common properties of color. Hue, that simply means a color. Hue. What is the meaning of hue? This is the first property or the first element, hue. Hue means color. Simply the name of color. We have lots of colors, right? The name, the blue, red, orange, yellow, all these are hues. So we can use the hue instead of the term color, name of color. Then we are going to discuss about the colors first. We have primary colors, right? Primary colors. We use this primary colors to create secondary colors. So which are the primary colors? Blue, yellow and red. Rena, please note. Blue, red and yellow are the primary colors and we use these primary colors to create secondary colors. Is it clear? Simple, no? Yeah, Rena? Yeah? These are the secondary colors. When we mix one primary with another primary color, we get a secondary color. Get a secondary color. So this green, orange, violet or purple are the secondary colors. Okay. When we mix two primary colors together, one yellow and one blue, we'll get the secondary colors. So orange, violet and green are the secondary colors. Then we have tertiary colors. Okay, this is very, very, very important. The tertiary colors. That simply means when we mix one primary with one secondary color, that is our tertiary color. Another name for this tertiary color, famous MCQ, okay, intermediate color. Please note. Okay, tertiary color is also known as intermediate colors. Okay. For Sana and Reina, please draw like this. Okay. Draw a triangle. Like now you can read the topics. Sana and Reina. Okay. Please draw a triangle. We are going to draw the color wheel. Okay, this is easy. Here, yellow, which means yellow is a which color, Sana? Yellow. Is it primary, secondary, or tertiary?
Primary.
Primary, yeah. So yellow, then red, blue. Draw like this. A triangle with primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. Then again, a triangle like this. We are going to write secondary colors here. Orange, green, violet, or purple. Violet or purple. This is very easy for identifying the tertiary colors or getting the tertiary color. This is very easy, this method, okay? So Reina, when you mix yellow and green, what color you get? Yellow and green. Simply yellow, green, that's it, okay? When you mix yellow and green, you get yellow, green. Then Sana, when we mix green and blue, what do you get?
Green, blue.
It's blue, green, okay? Always use the primary color first. When we name, use the primary color, the name of primary color first. Here, yellow is the primary color, right? That is why we call it as yellow, green. Then again, blue, green. Blue is the primary color, right? Then, Meghna, what about blue and purple?
Blue, purple.
Blue, purple. Okay, these are the secondary colors, right? This yellow, green, blue, purple. So mark like this. Then for Reina, red and purple. Then we mix red with purple. Then it's for you. Yeah. Sana? Red with violet. What do you get?
Red, violets.
Red, violet, because red is the primary color here, right? Then Reina, am I audible? Reina? Yes. What about this orange and red? When we mix orange and red, what do you get?
Orange, red.
Red, orange, okay? Red, orange, because red is the primary color. Then yellow and orange, you get yellow, orange. So here this yellow, red, and blue are the primary colors. Orange, green, and purple, they are the secondary colors. And yellow, green, blue, purple, red, violet, red, orange, and yellow, orange are the tertiary colors. This is easy, right? This is easy for this tertiary colors, no? Isn't it? Yeah. This is a simple topic, right? You look so serious. Okay, this is the color wheel, right? Just same as the triangle method. This is the color wheel. That's it. We can use the triangle method to create this wheel, color of wheels. Okay. So now another one. So we discussed about primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. The last one, that is achromatic colors. Achromatic colors. Achromatics color. Achromatics color, which means neutral colors. Another name for the neutral colors, that is achromatics. We have this black, white, gray, silver. All these are the neutral colors, achromatic colors. The meaning of achromatic means color without color. Okay, color without color. That is the meaning of achromatics. Color without color. Is it clear? So this is the first element of design, color. First element of design, that is color. So now we are going to discuss about value. The second property of color, that is value. Okay, value. So value simply means the lightness or darkness of a color. The meaning of the value means lightness or darkness of a color. The dark red, light blue, dark blue, right? These are the variations of color. We call them as value. Is it clear? Okay. So when we add this white, for an example, I'm using red here, okay? Any color, you can choose any hue. This is red. I'm using the red here. So when I mix this red with white, what will happen, Sana? When we mix red with white, what will happen?
Lights color red.
Light colors, right? This is known as tint. T-I-N-T-S. Okay? We call it as tints. When we add white to a hue or white to a color, we call them as tints. Okay? T-I-N-T-S. Okay? Then for Reina, we are going to mix the red with black. What you get? Darker colors, right? The darker shades. So they are known as shades. They are known as shades. So when we add white to a hue, we get tints. And when we add black to a hue or black to a particular color, we get the shades. We get shades. Okay. Then we are going to mix the red with gray. Red with gray or any color or any hue with gray, we get tone. Okay. We get tone. Tone of red. Okay. When we add white to red, we get tint of red. When we add this black to red, we get shades of red. When we add gray to red, we get this tone of red. Is it clear? 3 terms, right? Look here. So any color, it can be blue, green, yellow, violet, any color with white, we get tint. With gray, we get tone. With black, get shade. Okay. Please draw this. Please copy the diagram. We have some visual learners here, right? Fine. Okay. Then look here. This is a value scale. We already learned that value is simply the lightness of a color or a darkness of a color, right? So here we have shade, which means the darker colors, right? The medium one. Then we have tint. And we add white, we get tint, right? Okay, so we are going to number this. So the value system is mainly from 0 to 10, okay? This value scale is from 0 to 10. 0 is for black. 0 is for black. And 10 is for white. Then this gray or this hue, the tone, that is for 5. Okay. 0 for black, 10 for white, and middle value, that is 5. This is the value scale. So the value of hue can be changed by adding black or white. We'll get number of varieties, right? By simply adding this gray, white, and black, we get different values. So value simply means the lightness or darkness of a color. So please write light value of colors are tint. Light value of colors are called as tint. Light values of colors are tints. Light value of colors are tint and darker values of colors are shades. Darker values of colors are shades. Is it clear, Sana? Okay. So now we are going to discuss about a card. This is Pantone shade card. Okay. Pantone shade card. This is a Pantone shade card of yellow, orange, and all. Okay. This is simply means each color has a particular code. These code they are internationally recognized code. Okay, so each color has a particular code. For an example, yellow for 153 and orange for 173. It's an international code. So we can easily use this code for buying clothes, right? With proper color, the exact color. That is why we are using this Pantone card to avoid the confusion regarding the colors. Internationally recognized code is there for each color. Okay. That is Pantone shade card. Please write this name, Pantone shade card. It is usually used to avoid the confusion regarding the colors. Okay. Pantone cards. Pantone cards or shade cards. So you can see the number of hues as well as different varieties of tints, shades of different colors, right? Different tints of hue, different shades of hue in this Pantone shade card. So we can easily use each number for each color for buying each color clothes. Okay. So simply we use this Pantone shade card to avoid confusion regarding the colors. So each color has an internationally recognized code. Is it clear, Reina? Okay. Pantone shade card. Fine, Meghna. Then next topic is color in fabric. Color in fabric. Okay, so we all know that we can apply color in different stages of fabric production, right? We have different stages of fabric production from this fiber to yarn. So let me ask that first. What is fiber? What is yarn? And what is fabric? Meghna, what is fiber? Last year we discussed, right? Fiber. A whole chapter regarding fiber, a whole chapter regarding yarn. So what is fiber? Sana, our visual learner? Yeah. You can summarize this. One is fiber stage, another one is yarn stage, and third one that is fabric stage. Any idea? Reina, do you have any idea, Reina? What is fiber, what is yarn, and what is fabric? What is this, my dears? Look, Reina will help you. Reina, yes. Chai, what is fiber? I'll help you. The fiber simply means a hair-like structure or the simplest unit that we use for fabric construction, that is fiber. Then what does the yarn means?
Thread-like.
Yeah, the thread-like structure, that is fiber. This yarn one. Yeah, when we twisted these two fibers, we'll get yarn, right? Reina?
The continuous length of fiber.
Hmm.
Yeah, it like interlock weaving.
A thread-like structure, right? A thread-like thing. Yeah, that is fiber, no? We are using this fiber for weaving. We have weft yarn, warp yarn and all. Okay. So color can be seen in fabrics in various designs. So we can easily apply each color in different stages of fabric production. Different stages of fabric production, we can apply colors. Okay. So first stage, that is fiber stage. So first we are going to apply color during the fiber stage. Actually, this is not very common because this is very expensive. Okay, because this is the first stage, right? Coloring of a single hair-like structure or a simplest unit for the fabric, that is fiber. So it is very expensive and it is also not very common. Then about this yarn stage, we can use this time or we can apply the color during this stage, this yarn stage, for creating multiple colors. For creating multiple colors. Then fabric stage, it is very commonly used, the tie and dye method, batik methods, and the normal printing, sorry, the normal dyeing, the complete dyeing. Okay, that is the fabric stage, and it is very common and less expensive too. Okay, is it clear? So we can easily apply colors in these three different stages of fabric production. So first we can apply the color during the fiber stage, which means the smallest stage or the basic stage, but it is very expensive. Then about this yarn stage, we are using this method to create the multiple color or multiple colored threads. Then last stage that is very commonly used, all the dyeing methods or all the printing methods, that is the fabric stage. Okay, final stage. And it is also very easy to dye in this stage than the fiber stage because it is very difficult, right? It is hair-like structure, the fiber one, but fabric, it's a complete fabric or a complete cloth. So we can easily dye. So this is very common, expensive, and also easiest method. Is it clear? So we discussed about all hue, then value, then different colors, how we can apply different colors. And yeah, next topic. Any doubts till now? Okay. Yes. So another concept, that is color scheme, color schemes, and otherwise known as color harmony. Okay, color schemes or color harmony. So we are using this color schemes as a guide for combining different colors. Okay. Now we are combining, sometimes we combine the contrast colors, right? Contrast color for skirt and contrast color for blouse, right? Contrast color sometimes we use, but sometimes we use related colors, full white tone, a full cream tone. Yeah. So we are going to discuss about two different schemes here. One is related colors, another one is contrasting colors. So color scheme, another name, that is color harmony. Please write color scheme or color harmony. Color schemes or color harmony. So we are commonly using this color schemes or color harmony to guide, it's a guide for combining different colors. This color schemes, that is the usage of the color schemes. Okay. So first we are going to discuss about related harmony or related color schemes. Fine. Yeah. This is the first one. Monochromatic color scheme. Monochromatic color scheme. M-O-N-O chromatic. C-H-R-O-M-A-T-I-C harmony or monochromatic color scheme. So here you can only see a single color, right? But with different shades and different tints. That is monochromatic, mono, single one, right? Monochromatic color harmony. So it is that, yeah, please write. Please write. Single color is used. Single color is used to elaborate different values and intensity. Single color, here only blue color is used for creating different shades, different intensity, different values and all. Okay. So single color is used to elaborate different values and intensity, that is called as monochromatic color scheme. Monochromatic color scheme. Please write, okay. And after the class, please send the lecture notes. Monochromatic harmony. Single color is used to build different values and all. Is it clear? That is the first one. We are going to discuss about different and different color harmony. So learn one by one. Monochromatic, the single one. Single color is used. Mono, the word mono. Okay. Next one, a chromatic color scheme that we already discussed. Yeah. So this monochromatic color scheme, a chromatic color scheme, all comes under the related color scheme. Okay, related color scheme. A chromatic color scheme. What you observe here, only the neutral shades, right? The neutral colors are used. Yeah, that is a chromatic color scheme. When we use only the neutral colors and its shades and its tint, that is called as a chromatic color scheme. So word meaning of a chromatic, Sana? A chromatic.
Color with color.
Yes, color without.
Without.
Not with, color without colors, they are called as achromatic. Not chromatic, right? A is here. So achromatic, color without color. Is it clear? Second one, this is related color scheme. Yeah. Then we have accented neutral harmony. Accented neutral harmony. So this is simply means one hue with one neutral color. Please write this. Okay, one hue, which means one color when we are mixing one color with one neutral color. For an example, red with white. That is accented neutral harmony or accented neutral color scheme. One hue plus, write like this, one hue plus one neutral color. Red and white. Yeah. One hue plus one neutral color, that is accented neutral. You can use all these colors for creating your fabrics and all, for your textiles studies. You can use all these colors for combining. Yeah. This is our third one under the related colors, accented neutral, that comes under the related color harmony. So the last one under the related one, that is analogous color combination, analogous color harmony. Please cut this combination and write analogous color harmony. Do you have any idea what is this analogous color harmony? Any idea? Anyone? You can refer the picture. Any idea? I'll give a special prize for this answer. Yeah, analogous color harmony.
The three color which is next to each other.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so no prizes. Okay. Analogous color harmony, that simply means in the color wheel you have certain colors, right? So the 2 or 3 colors are next to each other like this, or we can use these 3 colors, we can use these 3 colors. These 3 colors, they are called as analogous color harmony. So Reina, yeah, first Sana, please take that color wheel, the triangle one. Yeah, and give one example for this analogous color scheme, which means 3 colors that is near to each other. For an example, I'll read one. Okay, yellow, yellow, green, and green. Yellow, yellow, green, and green. This is a perfect example for analogous color. Okay, analogous color scheme. Yeah, another example for this.
Red, orange, orange.
Sorry, red.
Red, orange, orange.
Fine. Then Reina, can you give another example for this? You can write your example there. Okay, Sana.
Red, violet.
Red, violet.
And red, orange. Blue, violet.
Blue, violet. Then 3 nearby colors.
Blue, violet, blue, green.
Blue, violet, blue, green. It's not right. No problem, Reena. Yellow, red, blue. Then again with orange, green, and violet. Okay. So here we have yellow, green. Then here we have blue, green. Here we have blue, violet. Then red, violet. So Reena, now. Yeah. Give me an example for this analogous color scheme. I'm going to tell one. This yellow, yellow, green, and green. This is my example for analogous color scheme. So what about your one? Your example, Reena? Reena, is this clear for you? Yes or no? No problem, Reena.
Red, Red, violet,
Hmm.
red, orange.
Yeah, these three, right? Yeah, very good. This is analogous color scheme. Any three colors that next to each other. This blue, green, blue, and blue, violet. Again, these are the analogous color combination. Simply means the three colors next to each other on a color wheel. They are called as analogous color scheme or color harmony. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Meghna?
is it color harmony? Then,
Meghna?
ma'am, the another name with the color scheme, is it harmony?
Yes, color harmony. Both are fine. Okay. You can use the color scheme or color harmonies. Yeah. So first one, monochromatic color harmony. Monochromatic. So single color is used. Then we have a chromatic color scheme. Here only the neutral colors are used. Then we have accented neutral harmony or accented neutral color scheme. That means a one color is mixed with one neutral color. For an example, yellow with black. Okay, that is accented neutral color. Then we have analogous color combination. Any three colors that are adjacent to each other on a color wheel, that is called as analogous color combination. Okay, these are the four color schemes under the related harmony. Okay, related harmony. So now we are going to discuss about the contrasting color schemes. Okay, contrasting color schemes. Highly contrast colors. There are certain colors that are highly contrast, right? Simple one, that is red and green. Yeah, two contrasting colors. Yeah. So we are going to discuss about the first one, that is complementary color. Complementary color harmony. Complementary color harmony. It simply means the colors that are directly opposite to each other on a color wheel. That is called as complementary color harmony. Just opposite. Okay, just opposite on the color wheel. For example, the red green. Red is directly opposite to green, right? Take their color wheel. All of you, please take your color wheel. Yeah. Sana, any two complementary color schemes? Any two other than this red green? Okay. Yeah.
orange and blue.
Orange and blue. Fine. Then
Then, red, red and green.
yeah.
Then
Okay.
yellow
Fine.
and
Fine. Fine. Raina, can you try? Any one example for the complementary color scheme? Just opposite on the color wheel.
orange, violet,
No.
and what is like what just opposite?
Raina?
Ma'am, I don't understand what you're saying with like just opposite.
Yeah. So we are discussing about complementary color schemes, right? Complementary color scheme. It simply means the colors that are directly opposite to each other. Look here. Here only the primary and secondary colors, right? So the just opposite of yellow, that is purple, right? Yeah. So yellow and purple is the first combination or the complementary color scheme. Then we have this green and red, just opposite, right? Green, red. Then we have orange and blue, orange, blue. These are the colors that directly or directly opposite to each other, right? These are the complementary colors. Is it clear, Reina? Please draw this, okay, Reina? Draw. Please draw this color wheel. So it will be easy for you. First draw a triangle like this, okay? Reina, this is very important. That's why. Yellow. We need this diagram for rest of the topics. Yellow, red, and blue. For Sana and Meghna, read the related color schemes, okay? I'll ask you. And again, one more triangle like this with orange, violet, and green. Right? First, a single triangle with primary colors. That is our yellow, red, and blue. Finish, Rana? Yeah. Then we are going to mark the tertiary colors or intermediate colors. Here, when we mix the yellow and green, we get yellow green. Okay, yellow green. Then we mix green and blue, we get blue green. Then when we mix blue and violet, we get blue violet. Then here red violet, here red orange, here yellow orange. Finish, Raina? Now it's clear, right? Yeah. So three adjacent colors like this, these three colors, we call them as Sana? Analogous color scheme, right? Analogous color scheme. That is related one. Here we are going to discuss about contrasting colors. So first one, that is complementary colors. Complementary colors, which means directly opposite to each other. This yellow and violet, that is directly opposite colors. Okay. They are called as complementary colors. Please write the examples. Yellow, violet, orange, blue. It's time, right? All of you, please show your color wheels. Sana? Because this color wheel is very important. Yeah, make me. Please show the triangle one. Yeah, okay. Sana, where's your? Yeah, fine, no problem. Sana. Yeah, it's okay. Reina? Yeah, very good, very good. Okay. So any doubts? Okay. No, okay. So rest we will discuss in the next class. The contrasting colors and all. Bye-bye.